Good afternoon, children.
क्योंकि वहाँ पूल पार्टी वगैरह। आफ्टरनून मैम।
Good afternoon, children. I hope you all are fit and fine. Today we are going to attain sample paper, just like exam. Okay? आपके एग्जाम में जैसे पेपर आएगा वैसा ही नहीं. I am just prepared 10 marks questions, so you have to attain only 10 marks. But in your exam, 40 marks questions will be coming. आपके एग्जाम एनुअल एग्जाम में 40 मार्क्स का पेपर रहेगा पर so I hope you all are ready. So I am going to share you sample paper. So this is your sample paper. ये आपकी sample paper है. You have to solve the answers and after that you have to upload in portal. You have got one video how to upload answer sheet in portal. So you have to do this, but your time limit is only 20 minutes after completing the class. Means after 2 o'clock you can upload paper, but you will get only 20 minutes. ओके आपको 2 बजे के बाद पेपर अपलोड करना है और कैसे अपलोड करना है दैट आई हैव ऑलरेडी guided you. Now this is unseen passage. This is unseen passage. Unseen passage is also coming in your annual exam. आपके annual exam में भी ऐसे टाइप के कुछ पैराग्राफ्स आएंगे, not this. यही नहीं आएगा, ऐसा कुछ अलग पैराग्राफ्स, some different patterns paragraph that I'll give you. Now this paragraph you have to read very carefully. At least 2 times or 3 times you have to read the paragraph and then solve the fill in the blanks. And this is for 5 marks and after that I have given filling the blanks. M is R. Okay? अब मुझे बताओ M is R सभी का कॉन्सेप्ट क्लियर है? किसको पता नहीं है M is R कहाँ यूज होता है? Raise your hand. M is R सबको पता है कहाँ M यूज होता है? Who is the best friend of M? लव्या को पता नहीं है. वेरी गुड. बी ऑनेस्ट. जिसको नहीं पता है वो सच बताओगे, छुपाओगे नहीं. मैम से छुपाओगे एग्जाम में कुछ नहीं मिलेगा. लव्या
मैम मेरे को मैम मेरे को आता है इज एम आर
आता है ना. ओके वेरी गुड. सो
आई मैम
सही गलत का निशान लगा जल्दी लिख. सही गलत का निशान लगा जल्दी लिख.
यस मैम.
मैम मैम
हेलो
मैम पेंसिल.
मैम मैम ये वर्कशीट को अभी करना है.
मैम मैम आपका माइक म्यूट है मैम।
Now,
यस मैम। मैम
so you have to write your name, class and subject first. After that, you will start your answers. You will start your paper. And after completing your answer sheet, you have to make a PDF file and then PDF file में आपका उस पेपर का नाम देना है। आज जैसे आपने PDF फाइल बनाए तो PDF फाइल में क्या करोगे आप? PDF फाइल का नाम दोगे। इंग्लिश लव्या या प्रत्युष इंग्लिश, जिसका भी अपना अपना नाम है, ताकि आपको PDF ढूंढने में प्रॉब्लम ना हो, क्योंकि आप जब अपलोड करोगे तो आपको उसी PDF फाइल को ढूंढना है। एग्जाम खत्म होने के बाद आपको सिर्फ 20 मिनट्स मिलेगा। 20 मिनट्स में आपको ये पेपर अपलोड करना है। दिस इज ट्रायल एग्जाम। आप लोग कर पा रहे हो या नहीं ये देखने के लिए, ठीक है? चलो लव्या, प्लीज रीड द पैराग्राफ। एक बार ये पैराग्राफ मुझे रीड करके सुनाओ।
कौन सा पैराग्राफ मैम?
This is one paragraph. My house.
ओके मैम।
Your voice is not coming properly.
मैम my family lives in a house. Our house is very nice.
Nice. Nice.
Nice. It has two. मैम ये क्या लिखा है?
BED bed. ROOM room. BED bed. ROOM room. Bedroom. It has 2 bedrooms.
It has 2 bedrooms. We clock.
COOK. Read the spell. If you are not able to pronounce, then read COOK. Cook. We cook.
We cook and eat in the kitchen. We
WATCH. Watch. WATCH.
watch.
Watch. We watch.
We watch TV in the lived.
LIVING. Living. ROOM. Room. BROOM. Broom. है ना?
Living room. FAVORITE.
Favorite. Favorite. My favorite room is.
Okay. My favorite room is
My
bedroom. I like to read.
Read.
Books and go
Do.
my room.
Do my HOME home. WORK work. Do my homework in my bedroom. Okay, read again this paragraph and then complete the fill-ups. Okay, Lavya, Eklavya.
मैम प्लीज स्क्रॉल डाउन। मैम वो जो M और R वाला है ना, तो थोड़ा सा स्क्रॉल डाउन करो ना। थैंक यू मैम।
प्रत्युष,
मैम इसमें कहीं आंसर नहीं लिखी है इसके।
इसके आंसर मैं लिख देती हूँ यहाँ।
हाँ
तो आप क्या करोगे? देख देख के लिखोगे आंसर को?
नहीं मैम, मैम इस पे करना क्या है ये फर्स्ट वाले में?
ये पैराग्राफ को आपको रीड करना है। यू हैव टू रीड द पैराग्राफ एंड देन सॉल्व द फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स। ये सारे आंसर इस पैराग्राफ में लिखा है। सो कैन यू रीड दिस पैराग्राफ? प्रत्युष, कैन यू रीड दिस पैराग्राफ?
यस बोलो, रीड करोगे?
नहीं।
क्यों नहीं? रीड करो,
Read the
बोलो,
paragraph.
चलो पढ़ो। अभी तो आपको रीड
रीड करो, रीड द पैराग्राफ प्रत्युष।
My family, LIVES, lives
हाँ,
in a house. O U R our house. IS is VERY, very. NICE,
nice,
नाइस।
nice.
nice,
एल नहीं है ये।
LIT, it. HOAS,
एस
has two bedroom.
has two bedroom, not bad, bad मतलब बुरा,
बेडरूम, बेडरूम,
Bedroom.
not
ठीक से
bad,
बैठ के पढ़ो।
bedroom,
ये क्या है, उसके बाद ये पढ़ो।
WV, book. Eat
एंड
eat.
in
In the kitchen. Kitchen.
जोर से
WEVWATCH, with
watch,
वॉच, वॉच में देखना। हाँ,
TV. In the living room. My favorite room is my bedroom.
से बोल रहे bad, नहीं bed,
क्या बोल रही मैम?
bedroom,
बेडरूम। हाँ, ये
bedroom.
पढ़ो ये अभी। हाँ,
नहीं bedroom.
I like to read books. And did
दो डी और डिड नहीं होता।
do
my homework.
work in
In my bedroom.
से बोल रहे हैं bedroom,
बेडरूम नहीं बोलना। मैम ने क्या बताया?
Bedroom.
now read again this paragraph Pratyush. After this you can solve the answer, okay, because all the answers are in this paragraph. So now start. Who has raised hand? Prisha, why are you sitting? Complete your paper. Then you can upload it. Srishti, yes, Srishti. Srishti Jain. Yes, Srishti. No.
कॉपी में लिखना है।
ये ट्रायल एग्जाम का पेपर है, सैंपल पेपर। Okay, so you have to write your name, class and subject. then you have to write all the answers, then it convert into PDF. After that you can upload it. After completing the class you can upload the answer sheet. ठीक है, क्लास खत्म होने के बाद आपके पास 20 मिनट्स रहेगा पेपर अपलोड करने के लिए. You have to upload in portal. Nobody will send WhatsApp. थ्रू WhatsApp कोई भी सेंड नहीं करोगे, सब कोई पोर्टल में अपलोड करोगे, जैसे आप एग्जाम में करोगे एनुअल एग्जाम में वैसा ही. Yes, एकलव्य.
Ma'am, please scroll down.
Only 10 questions, 10 marks. This is the last question. Please read the question. Yes, Lavya. Yes, Lavya.
मैम मैं पेन से लिख सकता हूँ?
No. Where is your pencil?
यस मैम.
You don't have pencil?
मैम है ना पेंसिल.
So then why you will use pen? If you have pencil, use your pencil. Akriti. Any problem, Akriti?
Crawler. Crawler.
Sorry? Akriti, please repeat. I'm not getting your point.
Crawler.
Huh?
Ma'am, ऊपर का ये crawler.
Scroll up. Okay. I'm not getting your point. This is the paragraph. Please read this paragraph and then.
Ma'am, ऊपर का ये crawler. एक ब्लैंक सॉल्व कर उसमें मेथड इजी हो रहा है.
मैम.
Yes.
मैम कम.
बोलो.
शब्द से
मैम वो अभी कंप्लीट हो गया.
हो गए हैं. आप अपलोड अभी आप अपलोड नहीं कर सकते हो. After
मैम पूरा हो गया सब.
the class you can upload the paper, not now. So Vriddhi, read this paragraph.
Read. Okay मैम. My family lives in a house.
No, not
और
my family leaves.
मैम lives बोली थी.
Okay, I thought is. Continue.
My family lives in a house. Our house is very nice. It has 2 bedrooms. We cook and eat in the kitchen.
Very good.
My favorite room is my bedroom.
Watch TV.
I like
We
we watch TV and TV in the living room.
living room.
Living room. Living. My favorite room is my bedroom. I like to read books and do my homework.
Excellent, Vriddhi. Jashvardhan, read.
My family lives in a house. Our house is very
Nice. N-I-C-E, nice.
Nice.
Spelling also. N-I.
C-E. N-I-C-E. Nice. It has 2 bedroom.
In bedroom. It's a bedroom.
Bedrooms.
Bed. Next.
Bedrooms.
Bedrooms. Not bed. Bed.
Yes, ma'am.
Bed.
Bedroom. Bedroom. We cook and eat.
Okay, cook. L-O-O-K, look. है ना? L-O-O-K, look.
Look.
Cook. Next. Cook and eat.
It in the kitchen. We watch TV in the living room. My
Living room. We watch TV in the living room. Yes, continue, Josh. Living room, then. Next, I like to. Your voice is not coming. I bolo. Network issue. Okay, your voice is not coming. No issue. But just please repeat again. Okay. Shreyal Chopra.
yes, ma'am.
Now read.
मैम अभी कंप्लीट नहीं हुआ.
कोई बात नहीं. Read the paragraph.
Yes.
Start, Shreyal. Start. Shreyal, your voice is not coming. Yes, Shreyal Chopra.
My family live in a house. Your house is very nice. It was two bedroom.
It has. H-A-S, has.
We cook and eat in the kitchen.
We cook and eat in the kitchen.
We watch TV in the living room.
Then
My favorite room is my bedroom. I like to read books and do my homework.
okay. I like to read books and do my homework. in a bedroom. Complete your work. Fill in the blanks completed. Fill in the blanks completed. Okay. Next, Akriti Jain.
Ma'am, I am done.
Akriti Jain.
Ma'am, I am done.
Akriti Jain done. Now start reading.
Yes, ma'am.
Start reading.
My family live in a house. Our home is very, very, very nice.
Hmm?
Very nice.
Nice.
It two bedroom. Bedroom. We cook and eat in the kitchen. We will TV
Beta, we
is the
no.
will
We watch, not will. We watch. 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 WATCH.
watch.
Watch. Bolo. WATCH.
WAC
CH. Watch TV in the living room.
is the
My favorite room is my bedroom.
watch TV in living. My
Favorite room is my bedroom.
favorite my is my bedroom. I live I like to read book and do my homework.
Work in
In my bedroom.
my bedroom. Bedroom nahi, bedroom. Okay. So Akriti, complete your work, and after completing my class, please upload your answer sheet. First make PDF. पहले PDF बनाओगे. बिना PDF बना के आपका आंसर शीट अपलोड नहीं होगा. Okay. Then you can upload. Sashti.
Yes, ma'am.
Read this paragraph, please.
My family lives in house. Our house is very nice. It has 2 bedrooms. We cook and eat in kitchen. We watch TV in the living room. My favorite room is my bedroom. I like to read books and my homework in my bedroom.
Bedroom, bedroom, not bedroom. Bed. Okay? Good. Sashti, well done. Now Deshna, start.
My family lives in a house. Our house is very very nice.
Hmm.
It is.
No, has. It has.
It has 2 bedrooms. We cook and eat in the kitchen. We watch TV the in the living room. My favorite room is my bedroom.
If
I
you
like to
bad
eat
means kharab. What is the meaning of bad? Bad means kharab. He is a bad boy. She is a bad girl. It's not bedroom. Bedroom. Bed. I like to read.
to read books and do my homework in my bedroom.
Again. Correct.
Bedroom.
In my.
Bedroom.
Very good. So, have you completed? Have you done your work? After
Yes, ma'am.
completing the class, you can upload it. Okay? Lavya. Mokshita. Mokshita.
वो वाला क्या लिखा है? Fill in the blanks with is MR में Raju and Bobby.
Raju and Bobby dash friends.
Okay.
MR, which is the correct answer that you have to choose. Right? Mokshita, read this paragraph fast.
Ma'am, दिख नहीं रहे. My family lives in house. Our house is very nice. It has 2 bedrooms.
We cook.
We and eat the kitchen. We watch TV in the living room. My favorite room is bedroom. I like to read books and do my homework in my bedroom.
Very good. Well done. Complete it and then upload in portal. Don't WhatsApp me. Prisha. Prisha.
Yes, ma'am. My family lives in a house. Your house is very nice. It has 2 bedrooms. We cook and eat in the kitchen. We watch TV in the living room. My favorite room is my bedroom. I like to read books and do my homework in my bedroom.
Bedroom. Prisha, Mokshita, Sashti, Deshna. I hope you have completed. So please children, complete your work, then make it PDF, then upload in portal. Don't send me in WhatsApp. मुझे WhatsApp नहीं करोगे आप लोग, okay? And I have sent one video, not today, day before yesterday I have sent you. So please watch this video very carefully how to upload in portal. Tomorrow, next class, again I will give you another sample paper, okay? So please learn from this video. Yes, Eklavya. Time over. Only 2 minutes are left.
मैम कल ना मैंने ना वो सरस्वती जी की पूजा की थी और ना कल मेरा बर्थडे है.
Oh, means tomorrow. Tomorrow is your birthday.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
18 Feb. Okay. So in advance, many happy returns of the day. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
And tomorrow I'll again wish you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome. So, okay, children, take care. Bye bye. Next class again, we will meet you another sample question paper with some another sample question paper. Okay, bye bye.